Hey, Leela, can you go through the animal sounds with me?
Someone?
What does a dog say? What does a cat say?
No.
What does a goat say? That's right.
Duck.
What does a duck say?
Tuck. Bow.
What does an owl say? What does a monkey say? What does a pig say? What does a bird say? What does a mouse say?
Sheep.
Squeak. What does a cow say?
Moo.
What does hold on.